everyone, it's me again, CANTIKA from PAJANGAN Junior High School. Today, I'm going to tell you how to make fluffy pancake. First of all, prepare the ingredients. There are 5 eggs, and then 40 gram sugar, 60 gram purpose flour, and here we have 2 gram baking powder. We will also need a pinch of salt, then 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and honey. Alright everyone, after all the ingredients are ready, now it's a cooking time. First, separate the egg yolks and the white. Like this. Then beat the egg white until stiff. Like this one. In a separated bowl, mix the egg yolks with sugar until the sugar melts. Next, add the flour, baking powder, and salt. Then stir until all the ingredients are mixed. This is the result. After that, slowly pour all the mixture ingredients into one bowl. Here it is. Then add vanilla extract and mix it. Then heat pan over a medium heat and coat it with butter. Like this. Use a 1/4 cup measure to scoop and drop the butter into the pan so that you can get evenly sized pancakes. Cook until the first side is golden brown or until the top surface forms bubbles. Okay, the first side is already turned into golden brown. Now, flip and repeat on the other side. Adjust it accordingly. After the other side is turned into golden brown like this, finally, serve the pancake while it is still warm with honey. You can put the honey as much as you want. You can also add some fruits like strawberries to make it more delicious. This is an optional, so you can change it with your favorite fruits. Here I have strawberries. I will slice it into 3 like this. Then I put here in as the topping. And this is it, fluffy pancake by Chef CANTIKA. Happy cooking everyone, thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.